It has been an active day across central Illinois. Lots of ice and freezing rain as the ice storm warnings issued ended up verifying here. We are looking right now at radar as now snow showers pushing on through areas that got ice accumulation out there. A lot of snow along the Highway 54 corridor. Some snow showers as far south and east as Macon, Piatt, even Champaign County. This snow will add insult to injury with some of these showers now bringing down more moisture in areas that have had slick roads, tree and power line damage in spots here. More of that snow coming through Bloomington, Saybrook, Gibson City, up towards Piper City. As we look ahead here, we do expect the snow to eventually move out of the region. It's something we'll keep our eyes on here. We're going to have more on the timing of this band of moisture, the impacts expected in the coming hours, and another round of snow heading our way as WCIA 3 News at 6 starts right now.
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6.
Good evening and Happy New Year. I'm Jen Lask in for Jennifer and Paul, and we are off to quite a busy start this morning, this 2021. If you have been outside at all today, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I've got Jacob joining me here right now, giving us the latest look at how January 1st, 2021 has kicked off.
We got an icy start, that's for sure, with some of the reports that came across central Illinois here. These are some of the ice totals so far today from the National Weather Service. As bad as it was here in central Illinois, just off to our north and west towards the Illinois River had the worst. Farmington got a ½ inch of ice. Morton, 4/10 of an inch. Down to the south and east here. In central Illinois, we had the highest reports in McLean County. McLean and Downs both at 3/10, ¼ inch ice in Lincoln, and lesser amounts here as we got closer and closer to I-57 south of Champaign. Certainly with the ice tonight, another round coming through now, we could get up to a glaze. That's not really the concern here moving forward. We think more than likely this round of snow coming through will add a ½ inch to an inch in some spots here. So that's going to be a concern, Jen, as far as things go. Further to the south and east, a dusting possible, but impacts not likely, as we think where areas have dealt with ice all day. Tonight, you add some frozen moisture, some snow to the roadways. That will ice some things up, and that seems to be that Highway 54 corridor running from Springfield up to Clinton and Gibson City. The further south and east, the lesser impacts are expected. Here goes that first round. Watch this, though. Another round on the way tomorrow night. We're going to talk more about that coming up later on in the show.
And, Jacob, you've been here all morning. You've been keeping an eye on those power outages. Tell us a little bit about what's been going on with that, because I know Ameren activated its emergency operations center for
Yeah, we're looking at that map. We've been watching it all day today with those outages. The highest number I saw when checking periodically was over 15,000 outages, and they'll come and go through the rest of the day today as things are moving through. They're getting crews to work on things and taking care of business. This last round of moisture, though, with the snow coming in now, there's ice already out there. You're going to stick some snow on any icy power lines and trees, and that may cause more outages in the coming hours. It seems like though we're past the worst of things, and we'll be on our way out here in the coming hours. Just this last round of snow, a little last hurrah from Mother Nature to welcome us to 2021.
I mean, it can't get any worse at this point with the weather.
Don't say that. We said that, I think, in March of last year, and look what 2020 did to us. So it will get better in the forecast, though.
I've jinxed it.
I'll tell you that, yeah. It was Kevin's fault for a while. Now it's Jen's fault. It's probably my fault, if we're really honest.
Starting off the year on a great note, everyone.
Yeah, absolutely.
And one of the things, if you do go out, you need to make sure that you have emergency kits. That includes blankets, batteries, all of those, just to make sure that you're safe out there. And our teams have been driving around central Illinois today, and they've talked with me and Jacob, keeping an eye on the road. We've got Cole Hankey now. Cole, how's it been looking?
Yeah, like you said, Jen, I've been driving around Springfield and in the interstate outside of it, and the roads around town, at least this afternoon, were not that bad. Traffic was moving along as normal in the middle of Springfield. The roads were clear, not any trouble from my part here driving around. And the Interstate 55 south of Springfield, also not that much trouble. Traffic was moving normally, but you could see some buildup of snow and ice on the sides of the roads as well. But you know, we just had that first wave of snow that Jacob was talking about come through here about an hour ago. It's pretty much tailed off here. We got a little bit left still dropping, and it left a light dusting across the ground, but now the roads are wet, and I hate to do Jacob's job here a little bit, but I can confirm out here in Springfield it's getting pretty cold. So like Jen said, be careful if you're going out on the roads tonight. The roads are wet. They, I know cold water makes ice. So if you're going out on the road, be careful and stay safe out there.
We've got a new team of the weather.
Yeah, I was about to say, Cole, come on over. We'll hire you and bring you on. We'd love to have you, but you look a little cold out there right now. We see some of those flurries behind you. Hopefully you're staying warm.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, thank you, Cole. Now, firefighters in Homer were also busy today. They were called out after a train caught on fire. It happened near County Roads 1050 North and 2400 East.
Jared Farmer is here in the studio. There you are, Jared. You saw that scene. Tell us what happened.
Well, Jacob, firefighters are saying that it was caused by an engine failure. They say that a buildup in smoke caused the engine to eventually stop over time. Conductors say that they stopped when they noticed that there was smoke outside of their window. When they stepped outside, they saw that the engine was on fire. Firefighters say that the fire did put itself out due to the weather conditions and that nobody was hurt. As of right now, crews are currently at the scene assessing the damage and working on moving the train so that the tracks can be up and running again. Jen?
All right, Jared, thank you. New laws are now in effect. There are half a dozen new laws and policies in Illinois. Compare that to 2020, more than 250 laws took effect this year. Minimum wage is increasing by $1 to $11. Illinois, now one of the first states to limit the out-of-pocket price of insulin, and the state is limiting it to $100 for a 30-day supply, regardless of how much insulin is needed to fill a prescription. Illinois law enforcement agencies can now collect DNA samples of a missing person's family members in order to create a reference sample. Turning to the latest COVID-19 numbers, the number of confirmed U.S. coronavirus cases has surpassed 20 million. According to Johns Hopkins University, nearly twice as many as the #2 country, India. COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. are now totaling at more than 346,000. Illinois COVID-19 cases, we're going to be keeping an eye on those as well. There are 7,201 new cases of COVID-19, 157 additional deaths. The total number of cases is now 970,590. The total number of deaths is 16,647. As of last night, 4,093 people were hospitalized. 837 were in the ICU. 496 patients were on ventilators. And the 7-day positivity rate for cases is now 8.1%. So that is something that we are going to be continuing to follow. Later tonight at 10, you're going to be hearing from bar owners in Springfield, where some of the restaurants in Sangamon County, but not bars, will be able to reopen for indoor dining at limited capacity starting on January 3rd, and that is something that we will be tracking. We'll have another report coming up from Cole Hankey on that later. But first, we are going to continue following the weather, because I think that's the biggest thing that we're all wondering about right now is what it's going to be like if we have to head outside.
Yeah, the road conditions are likely to get worse as we go into the overnight hours. As temperatures drop, any moisture on roadways likely to freeze. It's this next round of moisture that's on the way that is going to cause some problems. And that's not only tonight, but tomorrow. Look at this. Sunday morning, more snow on the way. We may talk about some decent accumulation in parts of central Illinois. We'll talk about that and have your 7-day forecast coming up later on the show.
WCIA 3 News is brought to you